Okay, right. So, thanks for attending last demo on Saturday. So, by this time, you people are aware of it. 2 points. Number one, what is data science course content? And number two, uh, what exactly it is going to change the entire system which is working today? I gave some of the examples relevant to the banking. I gave some of the examples relevant to the healthcare. I give some of the examples relevant to the retail industry like that. Though time was not permitted, that's what I stopped with those three industries. In fact, it is going to change entire industries whatever today it is working. And in that one, we have 8 levels of the training. Other words, you can call it as 8 modules. First module, which is nothing but the language we are going to learn about it. End of the first 2 levels, you will be comfortable with the Python coding. Said that you can apply job role which is talking about programmer of the Python programmer. End to end, whatever skill set we needed in the Python, we are going to provide it in these 2 levels. Now, let us go and try to see today the first chapter in the basic level. Let us see here introduction and installation. Introduction and installation. So first one, we are talking about the Python author. So this guy is the person who has the patents and everything about the Python language. And Guido van Rossum is a Europe scientist. And if you want to read more about this person, you can go and you can read more offline. It is not possible to explain each and everything in classroom. So wherever it is required, I used to provide the hyperlinks. You need to walk through that one and you have to study about that. Whatever needed exactly for industry, those are all things I'm going to cover here. So if you click on read more in offline, the person page is going to come here and you can read more about here later. Got it? Okay. Now let us go for the second point here. Python introduction. We know now Python author and more information how to read it, from where to read it, we are aware of it. The second one is Python introduction. Python also similar to other languages, whatever we have in the market, like R language, C language, C++, Scala language. What else not? Whatever you know the language is similar to that one. This is also one of the programming language. But the benefit of this one is it is close friend to mathematics. It is close friend to command oriented syntax. That means in one line you can do lot of things. In one line you can do lot of things. And moreover, it is a free of cost. It is open source. Because of the open source functionalities, people are implemented for anything. For example, see here, Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. Open source it is, and use Python general purpose build anything. You can use for web development. You can use for graphical user interface development. You can use as a data scientist role. That's where we are majorly concentrating on it. Software development or system administration. Against to each activity, we have some kind of packages. Here, whatever we have Django and here we have Skippy, Pandas, these all are called as packages. If you are interested about that particular role, you need to learn about the packages relevant to that area. Okay. Now, benefit of this one by seeing this, let us say any project you take it, minimum what you needed, we need to present something, one website is required that we can develop using this Python. To do backend calculations or whatever it is, we need here some numbers around playing that also is supporting. I can say if you are strong with all the modules of the Python end to end without taking help of any other software, end to end project I can drive it end to end. Okay, that's what the beauty of this Python. And Python mainly has two versions. One is known as Python 2.x, second is known as Python 3.x. Of course, the 2.x again, so many things are there. In 3.x again, so many things are available. For more information, let us go and try to refer from here. So if you click on this refer, you can see in Python 2.x, we have so many versions, and Python 3.x, we have so many versions in the bottom. So 3.65, 3.67, these all are different versions, release dates and downloads are available. Currently, the latest version which is available, that is known as 3.7.2. And it is available for Windows, Linux, Mac and others also. And if you want to see what are the free releases, you can go and you can see free releases. And looking for Python 2.7, see below for specific releases. So if you want 2.7 relevant things, you can go and you can see here what is the latest version. The 2.7 is 2.7.15, 15. However, no one is using at this point of time 2.x. 3.x is the one everyone is trying to use it. So even we are going as part of our course also, we are going 3.x only, we are going for it. Now, Python has a lot of packages, around 1,65,400 packages. That's what making Python more powerful. Today, if I want to do something, what I look for some template. That is a world where we are surviving, right? Even we are going for some resume also, first point you'll ask is, do you have any template to prepare that? That's where we are there, right? So package also, whatever work you want to do it, there is up to certain extent, some of the works we can manage automatically by going for this package. We have, these are the packages, whatever we have it. These all packages are available as part of the Python repository. It's called as Python Package Index. Python Package Index. So if you want to download, you can go and you can download from this Python Package Index. Suppose tomorrow you are expert. You have some idea about, let us say, something. You also can create your own Python. You can publish to your Python to PyPI, Python Package Index. So how to publish it? There is a procedure here. You can go and you can follow it. Are you getting my point? So by seeing this one, you come to understand here we have a lot of packages are available. That also one of the strong reason why people are looking for Python, not C language or C++. If I start my journey with the C language, 0 to 100, I have to sit and I have to write it. I don't have that much of time. Maybe I don't have that much of skill set also. Right? So, because of that one, the Python if you are using, we can take the base package, we can take it. On top of it, we can start our customizations, we can start it. Okay, that's cool. We understand now why you are looking for Python packages here. These many packages are available. In that one, whatever on the screen is showing, Django is one of the package, Pandas is one of the package, IPython is one of the package, SkyPy is the one of the package. These all are simple packages. Like these packages, we have these many packages, we have it. Now, next question is, need to install directly Python? That's what I'm asking. Do I need to install Python to learn the data science? Answer is no, don't install Python. The reason behind is if you go direct, then we need to spend a lot of time to install one by one package of data science. So for data science related, for example, on the screen, we are seeing what is Skippy or Skype, whatever you pronounce it. Next is what? Pandas, IPython. Like this, I have so many packages. First problem is we don't know what packages really I needed for data science implementation. Second problem is even also you have to install one by one. Third problem is tomorrow some package has some bug, the author updated. Again, you have to go and you have to update it. Who will do these all three activities, right? So that's what we are not loving to go for direct installation. We are choosing the solution is what is this? Anaconda. Fortunately, Anaconda also open source. You do not spend any money. However, Anaconda cloud solution also available. That means infrastructure, those all things they are going to maintain in their environment. If you use cloud solution, then we need to pay the money. But directly software you are taking and you are building your own infrastructure in our CPUs or GPUs, then you will not pay any money. It is free. Now, if you want to know more about Anaconda, this is a time to go and try to see about Anaconda. So what is Anaconda? It's the most popular Python data science platform. That's what the caption about Anaconda. You can go and you can observe here the most popular Python data science platform. And over 6 millions of users uses this open source. What is this? Open source Anaconda distribution. Nothing but Anaconda software. If I say Anaconda software or distribution, both are one and same. Okay, now you people understand here, we are going for Anaconda installation, not for Python installation directly. If you go for Anaconda installation, Anaconda software internally has, what is this? Python software. That internal install Python for you, don't worry. Apart from that one, it also installing for you, what is this? 1400 Python packages of data science. If you go direct installation, then we need to go for this 1400 packages one by one, which is really problem, right? If I install one by one this 1400 things, there is really problem to you. Now, UI tools like Orange, IDEs, Spider, Jupyter, etc. automatically we are going to get with the installation of Anaconda. For example, let us go and try to see here Anaconda software. I am clicking. Then we have here download Anaconda distribution. It is available for Windows. It is available for Mac. It is available for Linux. And if you see in the bottom, easily install 1400 plus data science packages and manage the packages down the line. Any new functionalities are added or whatever it is. Now it is going to store inside the Conda repository. In case of Python, we have here Python package index is the repository name. In case of Anaconda, the Conda is the repository name. Inside the Conda, we have what is this? This 1400 plus data science packages, we have it. Now, this is the time to go for next one. We need to install the Anaconda. Nothing you need to install, only directly Anaconda you need to install it. So let us go and try to see how to install Anaconda. How to install Anaconda. Okay, till this point of time, do you have any questions before going for the Anaconda installation?